All right, hello everyone. Now this video, we are going to talk about a very unique reaction of alkene. As you could see the heading, we are going to talk about halohydrine formation. Now this might be a new reaction altogether for most of you. And the great thing about this reaction or the mechanism of this reaction would be both the aspects of reaction mechanism, which is regiochemistry as well as stereochemistry, can be learnt and taught here. So this is going to be a regio-specific as well as stereo-specific reaction. Already I've briefed you a little bit about regio-specificity and stereo-specificity. But certainly, when I get a reaction of this kind, where I can talk at length with examples about both regiochemistry and stereochemistry, it's going to help both in terms of the questions which come from this topic and in general about the learning of these two aspects of an organic reaction. Now, what is halohydrine? What is this reaction all about? We can begin with the smallest alkene, which is ethene, and make it react with, suppose, chlorine plus water, and you'll find the product will contain chlorine and OH. Chlorine and OH. This is different from chlorination. Chlorine plus water is going to be different from chlorination. Certainly, if it's bromine plus water, it will be different from bromination. It will be HOBr added up, and you'll find bromine, suppose, going to this carbon, OH going to this carbon, and a compound of this kind having a halogen and OH on adjacent carbon is going to be called a halohydrine. This is going to be called a halohydrine. This is going to be called a halohydrine. Halohydrine will mean a halogen and OH on adjacent carbon atoms. So this is a chlorohydrine, this is a bromohydrine. In general, halohydrine formation is when an alkene is treated with chlorine plus water, bromine plus water. I told you it's going to be different from bromination. There is only bromine water, only bromine adds up. Here both bromine and water react. At some point we'll see the reactions of halogen. We'll see HOBr, HOCl being the component. So this is when this is subjected to HOX or X2 plus H2O. This is going to be a halohydrine for you. We're going to see halohydrine will be both regio-specific and stereo-specific. We'll talk about regio-specificity first. I must have told you regio means which region of the molecule is getting affected. This is the smallest alkene, 2-carbon alkene, the higher homologue, propene, and right away, you'll want to copy everything at your convenience. You'll want to pause the video, copy everything, and right away, when it's the higher homologue, a 3-carbon alkene, propene, say it's propene to which you're adding HOBr or HOCl. This is one possibility. You can have OH, bromine, or you can have bromine OH. Now naturally, product A and product B is about bromine goes to which carbon, carbon 1 or carbon 2. OH goes to which carbon, carbon 2 or carbon 1. Naturally, one particular electrophile or nucleophile going to one particular carbon or the other, which region of the molecule gets which nucleophile or electrophile, this is regiochemistry. And the regiochemistry of the process is such that this is regio-specific, The major compound is always going to be the first one. This will be the major compound. We'll see this will be major, this will be minor. And this major OH going to this carbon, bromine going to this carbon is about which region of the molecule gets which particular electrophile or nucleophile. It's regiospecificity. Stereospecificity is when I take a cycloalkene. And now when I take up HOBr, say bromine above and OH below, bromine above and OH below. Here both carbon atoms are equivalent. Bromine above and OH below will naturally mean that it's a case of anti-addition, and anti-addition would mean this is stereospecific as well. We have spoken about a few anti-reactions when the two groups add in different manner. one above and one below. The two have different orientations with respect to a given plane or ring. Naturally, one above, another below. It's stereospecific, it's regiospecific, and we'll explore both regiospecificity as well as stereospecificity in this class. Right away, we need to go into the mechanism. Straight away, we'll need to go into the mechanism, and you'll want to keep copying this at your convenience. I'm going to tell you why this is the major compound. I'm going to explain the regiospecificity of this. I'm going to tell you why this is an anti-adhesion. And naturally, we'll either want to start with a cycloalkene or an unsymmetrical alkene to talk about the two aspects. You'll want to keep copying at your convenience. You'll want to keep copying at your convenience. And let's take up stereospecific portion first. Now, suppose this is the alkene which we begin with, propene. And what you need to remember is this will break into Br plus and OH minus. One natural doubt is Br minus OH minus. So this time you will want to remember that oxygen being more electronegative, this bond will be pulled in this manner, and you will get OH minus and Br plus. So naturally, this is the electrophile. All cases are electrophilic addition to begin with. So Br plus will start the proceedings. Br plus will go first, and in bromination we have seen that this Br plus forms a bromonium ion. It forms a bromonium ion. Now this bromonium ion, if OH minus attacks to this particular carbon, possibility A, will give you product A. Naturally, if OH comes here, bromine will go there. I'm sorry. If OH comes here, this bromine will go there. If OH comes here, this bond will break. If OH comes here, this bond will break. OH will come here, Br will go there. So possibility A is all right. If OH goes here, bromine will go there. This possibility A will give you product A, OH at carbon 2, bromine at carbon 1. And naturally, if OH goes to this carbon, the terminal carbon, which is possibility B, you can get product B. Possibility A, this bond broken up, bromine on terminal carbon, OH here. Possibility B, this bond broken up, bromine here, OH there. You can take your time. Possibility A will happen in some molecules, possibility B will happen in another set of molecules. Possibility A will give you product A, possibility B will give you product B. Naturally, I have told you A is major, which means A is going to happen in more number of molecules. By major, I always mean the product which is going to be formed more in yield. Major always means something which will be formed more in yield. Now, this is more, this is less. In one way, the negative goes to the carbon having lesser hydrogen, so this is also the Markovnikov's product. In some way, this is observing Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule is being observed. Negative is going to the carbon having lesser hydrogen. Although a carbocation is not formed, and you will want to be very attentive. Although a carbocation is not formed, ये bond हमेशा टूटेगा तभी ये bond बनेगा. If this happens in the same step, if breaking and making of bond happens in the same step, it's called concerted. You will want to learn a term, concerted. If it happens together, concerted means together, simultaneous. If it happens in a concerted way, concerted means the two are happening in the same step. Bond breaking and bond making are happening in the same step. Still, the formation of a bond is preceded by breakage of a bond. जब तक ये हटेगा नहीं, until it starts moving away, until it starts breaking away, this cannot concretely form. So even if the two steps happen in the same step, you will want to remember this. Even if the two processes happen in the same step, there is no carbocation formed. Even if these two happen in the same step, ये बॉन्ड पहले टूटना चालू करेगा जब ये बनना स्टार्ट करेगा. अगर बॉन्ड बनने से पहले बॉन्ड टूटना स्टार्ट कर देगा, if bond formation is preceded by bond breakage, if there is a very small momentarily time gap between the breakage of this bond and the making of this bond, there will be some positive charge on this carbon. There will be some positive charge on this carbon. It's not a carbocation. It's not a carbocation. How do I know it's not a carbocation? Because there will be no molecular rearrangement. We have known about some molecular rearrangement. There will be no molecular rearrangement. And we will see more reactions of this type in future, where there will be a regiospecificity. Something like Markovnikov rule will be observed. Naturally, if A is preferred over B, there is some regiochemistry involved. There is some positive charge which is better accommodated on this 2-degree carbon. See, this is a 2-degree carbon, it's a 1-degree carbon. We have known 2-degree carbocation is more stable than 1-degree carbocation. But it does not involve a carbocation because no molecular rearrangement happens here. In due course, we will see in all such mechanisms, no rearrangement happens. Other characters of carbocation are missing. So this does not give you a carbocation. There is no full-blooded positive charge. But there is some delta plus here when A is happening, because it starts moving before this has started concrete formation. अगर ये बॉन्ड बनने के पहले ये बॉन्ड टूटना स्टार्ट हो गया है, so so many times in organic chemistry you will have to go by the language. I do tell you, when you have to learn a language, you have to be good at the vocabulary. You will want to read books, you will want to listen very carefully, and all this is going to eventually be in accordance, or is going to completely explain the nature of the product. Now this being major, OH going to 2-degree carbon, negative going to carbon having lesser hydrogen, negative going to carbon which is more branched, there is some electronic effect involved. 2 degree is more stable than 1 degree when it comes to carbocation. Even if it's not a carbocation, even if it's some positive charge developed, even if it's some positive charge momentarily developed, because this starts breaking before this starts making, obviously when it starts breaking away, there is some positive charge, and right away the negative is going to come here. So there is no carbocation formed. I repeat, no molecular rearrangement is going to be triggered. No characters of an ideal carbocation is going to be formed. Still, ये bond टूटना पहले start करता है, before the bond starts being formed. The two happen in the same step. No carbocation, trust me. Whatever positive charge is going to generate, whether it's a carbocation or any amount of positive charge, any positive charge is better accommodated on a more branched carbon. Any positive charge is better accommodated on a more branched carbon. You can talk about inductive effect. 2 degree has more inductive effect than 1 degree. 2 degree has more inductive effect than 1 degree. You can talk about inductive effect. You can talk about hyperconjugation, or although hyperconjugation is not required here because it's not a classical carbocation. But any amount of positive charge, any positive charge, I'll make you write this. Any positive charge, any small little positive charge, whether or not a carbocation, is better accommodated, is always going to be better placed on more branched carbon, a more branched carbon, a more substituted carbon, 3 degree more than 2 degree more than 1 degree. Yet again, 3 degree more than 2 degree more than 1 degree is the stability of carbocation, is also the stability of any intermediate where any amount of positive charge, even if very small, is going to occur. So in A, there is some positive possible here. Naturally in B, if this starts happening before this happens, if again bond formation is preceded by bond breakage, between positive here and positive here, between positive here and positive here, you will prefer positive here. You will prefer positive here. You will prefer positive on a 2 degree carbon than 1 degree carbon, whether it's a carbocation or any small amount of positive charge. It's not a carbocation. It's some delta plus, because the bond has started breaking before the bond is being made, although the two are supposed to happen in the same step. You will prefer positive here than a positive here. You will prefer a more branched carbon to accommodate the positive charge, एंड नेचुरली ए इज गोइंग टू बी प्रेफर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली ओवर बी. ये यहाँ पर आके अटैक किया, OH इससे लग जाएगा, ब्रोमीन will be thrown to the terminal carbon. A is major, B is minor because this accommodates the positive charge better. OH किस कार्बन पर जा रहा है, ब्रोमीन कहाँ पे फाइनली रह रहा है, कौन सा मेजर है कौन सा माइनर है, दिस कार्बन और दैट कार्बन, regiochemistry. Now we'll take up stereochemistry. And most of you would have realized that the stereochemistry of bromination was an anti-adhesion. You know the way I described it before, 3-member cyclic intermediate, there will be an anti-adhesion. And what I'll do is, now I'll take an example. Where I can explain both regiochemistry and stereochemistry. Suppose if it's only about regiochemistry, I can take more examples. If it's only about regiochemistry, I can always draw something like this. I can think of HOCl and I can say this is major and this is minor, this is major and this is minor, this is major and this is minor. Negative goes to the carbon having lesser hydrogen because it's OH minus and Cl plus, and naturally it all begins with Cl plus forming this chloronium ion. Now OH minus or water alkaline medium, OH minus, OH minus, if this is A and this is B, you just need to be very carefully drawing the arrows. This OH minus coming here and this going in this way is possibility A, and preferred over possibility B, and preferred over possibility B, and preferred over possibility B. First of all, I keep on repeating, A and B are happening in two different molecules. Possibility A will lead to product A, possibility B will lead to product B. You can see possibility A, OH on more branch carbon, chlorine being thrown to this 2-degree carbon, OH going to 3-degree carbon, and possibility B, OH to 2-degree carbon, chlorine finally going to, with this bond breaking, possibility B. And you need to be good at it. You can keep on trying to draw this structure. And between A and B, naturally A is preferred because a 3-degree will accommodate this positive charge better than a 2-degree carbon. 3-degree more than 2-degree. A positive charge is better accommodated on a 3-degree carbon compared to a possibility of a 2-degree carbon. This will happen if B happens. So this will happen in less number of molecules. This will happen in more number of molecules. And this would be the major product. Every time by major, I mean the one which is formed more in amount. But this is regiochemistry. This is only regiochemistry. कहाँ OH गया, कहाँ क्लोरीन गया, ये सिर्फ regiochemistry है. Stereochemistry के लिए it's best done on a ring, cycloalkene. And if I make that cycloalkene unsymmetrical, so what I do is very purposely, I make it unsymmetrical, and when I write HOBr, and I say OH here and bromine here, this is regiochemistry major. OH here, Br here, because I see this is 3-degree, this is 2-degree. I know this will be via a bromonium ion. This will be via a bromonium ion. I know this will be via a bromonium ion, and I want this to break, giving 3-degree the opportunity to accommodate this positive charge on this 3-degree carbon, and OH minus coming from behind the plane. वापस the same concept. अगर ऐसा ब्रोमोनियम आयन बनता है, if this is how the bromonium ion is formed, आगे ऐसे है क्राउडिंग, OH माइनस पीछे से आएगा, ये बॉन्ड टूटेगा, ये ऊपर रहेगा, वो पीछे से आएगा, ये ऊपर रहेगा, वो पीछे से आएगा. अगर ये ब्रोमीन ऊपर है और ये OH नीचे है, ये OH इस कार्बन पर है, ये इसका रेडियो स्पेसिफिसिटी है, ये OH इस कार्बन पर है मेजर में, इस कार्बन पर नहीं है, यहाँ पर है, ये OH यहाँ है, ये इसका रेडियो स्पेसिफिसिटी है, ये नीचे है, ये ऊपर है, ये नीचे है, ये ऊपर है, ये इसका स्टीरियो स्पेसिफिसिटी है. Trust me, we'll see more reactions of this type. We'll see more reactions of this type. But this one is a very good example to explain both regiochemistry and stereochemistry in a reaction. OH going to this carbon and not to this carbon in major product is this region, this carbon getting OH, this carbon getting bromine, that is regiochemistry. This above, this below, or vice versa. This above, this below, or vice versa is stereochemistry. So both are understood with an example of this kind, a reaction of this kind on an alkene of this kind, and we're going to see more reactions of this kind in future. A very popular reaction which comes to my mind of a very similar type is oxymercuration demercuration. We'll take it up in the upcoming videos, but this much for the time being. Thank you so much.